Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Crypto success story. When we started, people thought we were crazy. Say Sin Raj, the co-founder of Hi, the project that aims to build a gamified financial crypto fiat super app for 1 billion users. In just over a year since its launch in 2021, Hi has attracted more than 3.5 million members worldwide through referrals alone. The project is on its way to launching its debit card and payment gateway for merchants and is in the process of developing and testing its one-layer side chain on Ether. Sinraj, the former CMO of Crypto.com, agreed to tell Daily Coin about his journey and how the project ended up where it is now. How is High about? What makes it unique and competitive? High is building the much needed bridge between fiat and cryptocurrency. What makes us different is that we looking to address a number of barriers such as I need to download an application and then I need to go through a whole bunch of processes before I can get started. Our initial starting point was to actually make the service available on chat applications, so WeChat and Telegram. We do have the application and we have tried to make the onboarding process as absolutely simple as possible. What we were really shooting at was overly complex user experiences. We just got rid of that. A key difference is we don't call our customers. Our customers are our members, and our mindset is very much set on the idea that our products and services should be designed and be of service to our members. Tell us about the very beginning of High. What was the motivation for starting the project? What's the backstory? I had a career in the financial services world on the corporate side. I have had the opportunity to become the founding CMO of Crypto.com, and I'm very proud of contributing to the early stage of the company. But as COVID come on, it was time for me to take a break. It turned out that there were a number of other parties that were at that same point, and the opportunity came about to gather some like-minded individuals, people with experience both in financial service, vintage, travel, etc., and start to figure out how can we bring these things together to form a new company that would have a little bit less of that focus on, let's say, crypto, but more on how do we make something that's approachable. We felt that there was a new generation necessary to kind of move things forward, and we were hoping to be that generation. When was that aha moment when you understood that you were on the right path with High? That happened relative early. High attempts to reduce to the barrier to becoming a High member by using chat application. We then have focused on a member get member, a referral or invite approach to building our base. And I guess we were probably about a week or two into the project after it had gone live publicly, which was May of 2021. A couple of weeks into it, we were seeing a lot of traction. We now are about million members. Every one of those members came from just a few people who were at the very core of starting the business. So it was literally my address book. This is this is actually a core tenet of our business. We do not advertise your invite to your friends is a much stronger way to build a business. That was our experiment that we suddenly realized, oh, it's working. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.